Dust mite removal device. Wide area UV lamp. Transparent dust storage and mite removal tube, equipped with cyclone suction motor. Mite removal, vacuuming, sterilization, 3-in-1, high-frequency beat, quickly shake out the deep dust mites. In addition to mites and clean home, clothing and blankets can be used. With a cleaning brush, it can be used as a handy vacuum cleaner. Dual-use car and home cleaning in one step. Cushion gap is easy to get. The dust box has been disassembled. Cleaning is more worry-free. Reliable mite removal. Visible cleaning effect.